So which is the one of the best market to trade from the 2015? Either if you are a fresher, either if you are a part-time trader, either if you are a full-time trader. This is one of the most asked question from my students or from my YouTube family. So when it comes to the selecting the proper market, first we need to understand we are discussing in terms of the Indian region. So what are the possibilities we have to trade in the market? So we can trade the Indian market either in terms of equities, futures, and options. We have option to trade in a forex. Also, we have option to trade from this commodity market, as well as we can trade in the US market also. So apart from this all market, which is the best market to trade and where we can generate high ROI, matlab highest return on investment, so which is the best market and how we can choose that, how we can work on that. So I'm going to give you a complete idea based on this in this video. So hey guys, this is Sidhu from aka Hanker Trading, welcomes you in the new video. So without wasting further time, let's begin. So when I have started my trading career in 2017, that time the one lot of a nifty to take or to trade with the one lot of nifty, I just need to pay 2000 rupees. That's the margin which I am getting that in 2017 or 2018. But right now how much I need to pay? So for that I'm opening the Zerodha margin calculator. So I will give you some idea that how the margin has been changed and how this will going to affect on your ROI. I'm just selecting the Nifty and December I just wanted to take one lot. So for the one lot, I just need to have somewhat around the 68,000 rupees of a margin in account. So where is the 68,000 and where we have these 2,000? I hope you have already seen that the margin is one issue to trade with the Indian market, as well as this applies in every market segment from the Indian perspective. So either you trade in an option, either you trade in a currencies, either you trade in a commodity, margin will going to affect to generate the highest return on the investment. Obviously, when you have a smaller capital, there is only one thing which is left for an Indian trader, that is the option buying uh, things. Then obviously option buying, these market have the less probabilities, and when it comes to the option buying opportunities, you will not get every day to get these proper trades, or you will not get everyday opportunity to trade with the options buying concepts. Obviously monthly you will get hardly around 7 to 8 days only you will get a chance to trade with the options buying. What about the others? That time obviously we need to have a patience to wait for the market to give us some biggest momentum to generate the highest profit from the option buying. So if all this has been door has been closed, then what is the best way? The market, Indian market is already right now at the very higher peak, and we have very literally from the for few months we have completely seen that very market is a very choppy and very high volume traded. Then what is the best way to trade, or what is the best market that we can select for the fresher, or you can say the part-time trader, or you can say the full-time trader? For those trader, I seriously would like to suggest start working on the prop firm. I know still there is a very few people who are talking about the prop firms in India, but till mid of the next year, everybody wants to start trading in the prop firms because the return on the investment is a very high there. So what exactly we are talking about? So first we will take the reference of these the return on investment in terms of forex market, as well as how we can work on as well as on the US market also. So before going through these topics, but one of the most important these questions will going to strike in your mind: is it legally to trade in a forex in the Indian? So how we can trade the US market in India? Was it completely legal to trade? Yes, it is completely legal to trade. I am sharing one video which is shared by one of the chartered accountant on his YouTube video. So he has completely shared the concept about FEMA 199 and how the prop firm trading is completely legal in India and how you can trade these. I will share that complete video in my description. You can take it for consideration that how these prop firms are legal to trade in India in terms of trading the forex and in terms of trading the US future. But I am not suggesting to go with those broker which is already listed under the RBI. Those are completely banned in the Indian government. I am not suggesting to go and participate with these brokers. I'm completely suggesting which is completely legal to trade in India. So how these platforms are work, as I already previously posted one video, that you can seriously work on either forex platform, or you can work on the future platform. So which is the comfortable to you, you can I have already posted the comparison between these forex platform as well as the future platform, which is the best for a trader, and how you can compare these things, and fresher which one is the better, and the experienced person which one is the better. I have completely explained all those concepts in my previous video. Please take a reference of that. But I am sharing you something which will going to give you the idea that how these platforms are helping us to generate a high return on investment. So here, take the example of you are taking around 25K account, and these are the challenges that obviously you need to pass. Then for this, obviously you need to have one of the best strategy. Obviously you need to have one of the best discipline managing mentality. Obviously you need to have one of the best risk ratio managing capability. Then suppose they are providing you around a $25,000 account, which is almost like how much it is, a 21 lakh of rupees of a capital they are providing you just by charging this much of amount. How much? 21,000 of amount for a 21,000 for a 21,000 Indian rupees. You are completely getting a 21 lakh rupees to trade. Obviously here itself the entire game changing will going to happen, because there are so many people, they completely spend their entire trading life to generate the 21,000 rupees to 25 lakh rupees. Just by paying a 21,000, you are getting a 21 lakh rupees a capital. It's a big, this is a complete a game changing opportunity you have. So what you need to do, you need to properly manage your risk, that you cannot lose a 5% of per day, you cannot lose a 10% of the day. And these are the conditions for a second phases also. You cannot lose 5% and you cannot lose 10%. In the first phase, you need to show them that you can make a generate of percentage of a profit of a 10%, as well as in the second phase you need to generate of 8%. These are the two phases account you have. Also there are the single phase account also are available with these all those platforms. Then you can find your which is the best suitable platform according to your money, according to your the take profit conditions, according to your daily drawdown. Choose whichever you want, but remember one thing, the amount which you are investing and amount which you are getting to trade, this is one of the best ROI generating platforms are available, or these markets are available. I seriously don't know that when does the Indian market, yeah, when does the Indian government will going to bring some restriction on these things. Till then, have an opportunity, work on this, and generate your profit from this. Okay, so this is one of the best platform that I am showing you, that I am working with these guys, and these are the one of the best we have. Also I have explained you that for a fresh bees or for a fresh people, the forex platforms are better to trade, because they have the maximum drawdown are better. Okay, so when it comes to the maximum drawdown, they have around 10% of the overall capital. Guys, just remember, you are having the 100K account, and they are ready to lose their $10,000 account just by paying the subscription fees. This is the what the amount, that is not even the 0.5% of the entire capital that what we are paying. So obviously if you have just try to generate a 0.5% of the profit per day also, obviously you are making one of the highest return on the investment. Just think about this, because still in India very few people were talking about the platforms. This is the one of the best opportunity. The before government take any action against it, you have opportunity to work with these things and generate one of the highest return on the investment from the market. So hope this video has given you some idea that which market is the best to trade, and where you can trade these things, and how you can trade these things, right? So we'll see you in the next video with a new topic के साथ. तब तक के लिए thank you and have a happy weekend. Happy trading.